Welcome everyone. Today we're doing a one-pot wonder meal. I just love saying that, I really do. I've become addicted to these one-pot wonder meals, but look, chicken Alfredo with mushrooms. Yeah, you can make this one-pot wonder meal in your Ninja Foodi. So come on over and let's get this one-pot wonder meal started. To start this one-pot wonder meal, we're going to select sear saute, which it's already on. Default's to high, and we're going to press start. We want that pot to heat up. So what you see in front of you are two huge pieces of chicken. This is just extra, so pretend that's not there, but this is about a 1 pound chicken breast, and I'm just tossing that in because it's extra. Just a little bit of black pepper all over this, and do both sides. I am going to add a smidgen of salt because we are using chicken stock as well as Parmesan cheese, and I don't want to use too much salt. A little bit of oil in the pot, not much, maybe like 4 squirts. And we're going to go ahead and add these chicken breasts. And that's what we like to hear, is that sizzle. We're not cooking these chicken breasts, we're just browning them on both sides. So these chicken breasts have been cooking for a few minutes, so let's see what they look like. We got some decent color. I'm going to let them go a few more minutes. So we're probably going to bring it up to 5 minutes. We're just going to take this chicken and turn it. We've gotten beautiful color on this. And let it cook 3 to 5 minutes on that side. So we're going to go ahead and take these chicken breasts out. I just want to show you the back side, how nice and brown it is. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of butter. Butter makes everything better. Yeah. There we go. And try to get those brown bits up as well. Next up, I'm going to add some criminis mushrooms, or baby bellas. It's about, I'm thinking it's around, maybe it's like 4 or 5 ounces. Hopefully they will release some moisture so we can get all these bits up from the bottom, because that's all flavor there. And I do want to point out that those mushrooms are releasing a lot of moisture, and we want that all evaporated off, and we also would like a little bit of brownage on these shrooms. These mushrooms are looking very, very good. So next step, we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of chicken stock. And I'm using the Better Than Bouillon. And we're also going to go ahead and add 1 cup of heavy cream. Yeah, this is going to be very, very rich. And also 8 ounces, today I'm using penne pasta. Now you just want to make sure the pasta is submerged. And I am going to go ahead and add 1 1/2 teaspoons of granulated garlic. We're going to go ahead and add this chicken back to the pot. And this is a super, super thick chicken breast. There we go. It's a lot of weight behind that chicken. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on. Make sure it's set to seal. We're going to hit function. We're going up to pressure, high. Time, I'm going to go ahead and do 6 minutes and hit start. I was a little late to the party here. The 5 minutes is up. Now we're going to do a 5-minute natural release. Then we'll do a quick release. 5 minutes has gone by. We're going to do a quick release now. I always love doing the quick releases because the terrific aroma comes out and it just smells so good. Just waiting for that little tab to drop. Come on, baby, come on. You can do it. Ah, there we go. Tab is dropped. Once again, be careful opening this. Open it away from you and watch out for the dripping water. I know I'm redundant with this, but burns are no joke. Most important thing, because these were huge, huge chicken breasts. I want to make sure this chicken is done. Took it exactly 164, and with the carryover, this chicken will be done. Just going to put it on a cutting board. Let's give this a stir. Now I know this pasta is done. Al dente is 4 minutes with this, but that chicken breast was so big I wanted to do 5 minutes. And the penne pasta holds up to like cooking it longer. I'm going to take some butter. It's about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're just going to stir this around. We're going to melt it. Now remember, your Ninja Foodi is on keep warm, so the heat will continue, which is a good thing. I'm going to grab some Parmesan cheese. This is nice, light, and fluffy. I grated this myself. You can use the other kind as well, but I happen to have this in the house, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. Just going to put that right on there. I am going to take some black pepper. I want some chunks in there. There we go. Might as well just use it all. And we're going to give this a stir. This cheese should melt nicely right into this. With the butter, the heavy cream, this is a very rich, decadent dish. Now this looks thin, but it's not. Once this cools down a bit, this is going to thicken up very, very nicely. I'm going to dish this up. I'll show you how we're going to garnish, which is a simple garnish. And then we're going to do that taste test. And while I have you here, we're going to slice into this guy. Oh, it's amazing. This is just like smooth as butter. Just going to do a couple nice thin slices. Let's plate this up. I'm going to shut the Ninja Foodi off. Place that right in our plate. Gorgeous. Just going to take that chicken, place it right on top. Just going to take some of this Parmesan cheese and just grate some over the top. A bit more black pepper. And that is chicken Alfredo with shrooms. Time for the taste test. Let me show you what the dish looks like. Let's dig in. Let me grab some pasta first, and we'll do the, let me grab a mushroom. I know you're in there. Very good. The pasta is still al dente. If you don't want it al dente, I would probably cook it for 6 or 7 minutes. But this is actually great for me. The mushroom flavor shines through. Oh, here, I'm eating more pasta. I don't have a knife. Well, let's resort to fingers, shall we? The chicken is super moist. Super, super, super moist. Unbelievably moist. Let me grab one more mouthful of this chicken Alfredo here. Sorry. The flavors are good. The mushrooms actually overpower the sauce. And the pasta, I think, yeah, it's al dente. I would probably cook this longer, 6 or 7 minutes. But other than that, it's pretty good. I like the Tuscan chicken better. Sorry. But this is pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Hit that notifications button. And thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate it. I have too much pasta today. I'm gonna have to try this without the mushrooms, because the mushrooms do overpower a bit. But I'm glad I experimented and tried this. It's okay. I wouldn't say spectacular. It's good, but not great. So I give it an okay factor.